I hate these new cars. I'm in a rental car on my way to Sebring. Not a fan. Everything's so complicated. And I hate to sound like a boomer, but everything is so complicated. One of these things, everything in front of me is a touchscreen, and I don't like that. To change my music, to turn my music up, I have a button but if, let's say I want to do the heat, I want to make it cooler. It's warming up right now. I want to turn the AC on. I have to slide this and then do the AC and turn it up with the same knob, or turn it down with the
If someone was trying to increase the exposure of their photo, they would, what we would call, open up the aperture, right? And
Day one, we are on our way to Sebring. I can't wait. Day one, we're here, Sebring International Racetrack. A little hard to hear. Currently Porsche practice right now, but dude, this track is insane. This track is so cool. We have about an hour before the Michelin Pilot stuff happens, and I'll be back out on track.
Yeah. You taking this one? I'm taking this one.
Day one done. Did a lot today. It's good seeing Alan. Good shooting. Got to meet Trenton Estep, his co-driver. Very, very fast. Like, he's quick as fuck. Really appreciative of Vanderstur Racing. They got me a cool little hat. But they also let me sit in with their technical stuff and get some shots, which was pretty cool. So I was really excited about that. But now we're gonna go get a couple things of groceries and then head off to edit all of this stuff.
I'm gonna let this run for a little bit because this is one of the things that I love about being involved in motorsports is you get to hear a lot of the behind the scenes. So we were a little behind the 8 ball when it came into coming into this Michelin Pilot Challenge weekend. They did not have a lot of time to test the car. They are still trying to play with setups, and that put the team behind. They made a couple changes to the car overnight, past tech. We're now trying it in practice, so they're playing with tire pressures, etc. So this practice session was really a test session for them.
1.9, 1.85. Can you blow those down? Yeah.
Alan went out, did some laps, came back in. Now they're playing around with the rear of the car. Don't ask me what they did. I don't actually fully know. If that's something that interests you in the next video, the engineer, Grant, would love to talk about it. So if this is something that you want to see in the next video, let me know. I can sit down and have him explain technical analysis between the sessions. But until then, watch Alan peel out. Wanted to stop real quick. It's race day for the Michelin Pilot Challenge. Starting P13. Didn't get a lot of clips because I was in turn 1 when this absolute kerfuffle happened. This is from the broadcast. It is 10 cars right here, but all in all, about 15 cars ended up being involved in this. 10 cars didn't make it to the start-finish line, which is insane. Took them forever to clean it up. Absolutely forever. So by the time I got like 2 or 3 more laps, it was almost time for Alan's pit window because there was a 40-minute minimum drive time. As I'm walking back from, like, I'm all the way in turn 4 and I'm having to go around the track to the pit straight. The absolute legend. If you don't know him, follow him. Walter Sipple photo. Absolute freaking G in the golf cart. Sees me as I'm approaching turn like 2, almost into 1. Stops, says, "Hey bro, do you need a ride?" Yes, I need a ride, bro. Thank you so much. And I got there right as the pit stop was happening. Got the driver change, got some banger photos. Walter, you're a legend.
Michelin Pilot done. My work is done for the weekend. Let's go experience some of the locals. Met up with the actual legends of the circuit.
Kip Sebring and Speed Metal and their friend Tony, they showed me the pathway and escorted me to the world famous belt sander races. Absolute class, gentlemen. They really showed me the local scene of Sebring. It was a little insane. I'm gonna be honest, nothing like I've ever seen at a racetrack before. But shout out Kip, shout out Speed Metal. Speed Metal's also a world tetherball champion, so y'all best respect his name.
Coliseum there right now. Look at that shit, man. Holy. Watch out, there's trash all over the ground, man.
To him what he's got. Explain to him who that is.
You don't even realize that it's the driver.
No, they're all included. I thought somebody said they were five guys, but it was Wayne Taylor, right?
They drive the car.
Really?
Yeah, that's Jordan Taylor.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
I don't recognize the face.
I know, you see him with the helmet,
Yeah.
but yeah, they drive the car.
Yeah, no shit.
So we're here. The race has been going on for about a little bit, but dude, this is insane. There's so many people here. We're under full course yellow. I've been walking around doing other stuff. But yeah, I'm just here enjoying the race now and just see what's available. I'm getting some good shots from the spectator areas, and dude, this is so crazy. There's literally just people everywhere. I mean, it's not as condensed as like when Petit Le Mans happened, but you can definitely tell that it is way more people than a lot of these regulars are used to, because it's a lot. It's a lot.
You know, the Lexus was also another car that really would disturb the nose of your car.